Now you guys have been seeing this view a lot in my recent videos as I work on figuring out this corner of my living room, which I consider my studio. But let's zoom out a little bit. All right, now I've been asked to do a whole what's in my studio, show my setup type of video. That is coming, but today we're gonna give you a little behind the scenes. Now I've said this before, I hate the colors of these walls. See, look, the ceiling is white, the walls have this brownish look that I just can't stand. So what I did is I put up some of these sound panels over here to give it a more black, gray, neutral tone. And instead of covering the whole wall like I planned to, I just kind of came up with this style and this design. And I was like, I like it right here. Now this right here is my main desktop setup. Video coming on that PC right there soon. Also, don't be judging my desk. I know y'all desks look crazy too, but you guys have seen this light in the background of my videos. This is the actual Govee light bar, I believe. I used to have it over here on that wall in like a V formation and similar to this, but I actually like it here behind my ultra wide monitor. I used to have my super ultra wide up, but even behind my regular standard ultra wide monitor, I think it looks good. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. That's where this comes into play. This is the Govee Glide Hexa. These are light panels that I'm gonna put up right in this area just to give this boring background a little more flair. Hopefully it'll come out looking great. Let's go ahead, get it out the box and get it up on the wall. All right, y'all, I'm done. As you can see, the lights are up behind me. If you watch the installation and you're looking at this shot, then you could probably see a few things I like and a few things I don't. First, let's talk about something I like, the actual size of the individual panels. I thought they were much smaller. So to see them up on the wall and know that they actually do cover a good amount of space, I'm very happy with. Now, as far as the installation, I gotta say this is on me. Maybe Govee could have cleared it up just a little bit, but I mean, they're pretty, extensive with telling you, which number to put each thing in. And if you don't pay attention, you just try to do what you want to do, you're going to have a hard time. Things were not fitting and I was getting frustrated. I'm a little hot right now, but eventually when I slowed down and I paid attention, everything went pretty straightforward from there. Now, the good thing is that these use the 3M removable sticky tape that sticks to your wall and you can get it off without damaging your wall. So if you're someone like me who rents or you just don't want to damage your walls, then that's really good. The bad thing is because they're all sticky and you got to put them up one at a time. If you don't like where it goes and you want to change it, you're going to have to go individually, take all of those down, get some more tabs. They only give you like 1 or 2 extra in the box. So you have to get some more, which isn't hard, and then place everything up. I would suggest planning. If I were to do it again, I would plan, I would measure, I would find out exactly where I want it and kind of get it there, because let me zoom out. I put it way too high. So I'm either have to be like this and then, yeah, I'd have to do something like this, you know. Maybe that's cool, maybe it's not. So for my normal shot, it will be back there the way it is. Maybe here in the future, when I get some more of the sticky tabs, I will take it down and put it in this area with a design that will fit in this area and make it look better. But we'll see how that goes in the future. Also, the cable. I don't know what's going on with Govee. Maybe they don't only plan for you to put it that high, but it's like the same thing with the light bar. This cable is crazy. That cable should definitely be longer. Also, another thing that I did not like is this power button looks like it has an LED on there to let you know if it's on or not, but this one didn't. So I didn't know if I was turning these on or off until I had them connected. They should just put like a little light or something on there. But once you get it connected in the app, it installs pretty quickly. It does exactly what it needs to do. It runs you through how to get it set up. Then you could go in and put it on any type of lighting that you desire. I'm gonna be playing around with it. You'll see it here in upcoming videos. If you have any suggestions or anything that you think I should do that would make this side or this area a little bit better, let me know. I kind of want to go with like a fake slat wall, like a black slat wall with like a few LED strips, but we'll see about that. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Drop them cookie emojis for the Vanglorious Jehovah Spirit. We love you. And we're gonna keep going on bigger and better in the new year, in her spirit, in her love. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And never forget to holler at your boy.